Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Ram side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, a trim removal tool, and your new mirror assembly. Always ensure your truck is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before starting any work. You'll need to locate the mirror's mounting bolts, which are typically hidden behind an interior trim panel on the door. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damage, exposing the mirror's wiring and mounting bolts. Once the panel is off, disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions, like adjustments and heating. Finally, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame, then gently remove it. Now, take your new mirror assembly and carefully position it onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks into place for a secure and reliable connection. Before reassembling the door panel, test all the mirror's functions, such as power adjustments and turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly. To finish up, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips are securely fastened and the panel sits flush. Give all the mirror's functions one final double check, including any heating elements or blind spot monitoring features, to ensure everything is operating perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Ram side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.